how to active Signal payment. So here today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Signal payment here at the Signal app. So this is very useful for those who are making payments on using the Signal app for upgrades and stuff right here on the Signal app. So let's get started, guys. All you need to do is open up our Signal right here. Once our Signal is open up, click on the top left corner right there, and then all we need to do, just go down till you see payments right here. Press on the payments once you're ready, and here we can activate our payments right now. There we go. As you can see right now, all we need to do is press on active payments. So you can use Signal to send and receive mobile coin. All payments are subject to terms of use for mobile coins and mobile coins wallet. You may encounter some issue and payments or balance you may lose can't be recovered. All we need to do is activate it. So once we activate it, we need to enable the payment lock. There you go, payment lock enable. Then we'll just go back, and as you can see right now, here is our money. We have 0 because we just started. So now you just activated it. Now we can add some funds. By adding some funds, just click add funds right there, and then here you just need to what they call this, scan it. To add, as you can see right here, to add funds, send mobile coin to your wallet address. Start transaction from your account on exchange that supports mobile coin. Then scan the QR code or copy your wallet address. So it's simple as that to send. There you go. To add funds on your Signal account here at Signal. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys did the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can type it in the comment section below, guys, and then we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible on how to rock it, guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.